Hello everyone. Myself Dr. Thrimurthulu, Professor in CSA Department. My subject is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This is the second video. First video I have discussed about the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. So this video I am discussing about the AI types, and this is the overview. Today what I am going to cover: AI types, capability based AI, what are those things, and functionality based AI I am going to discuss. Then coming to the what is in AI? What is in AI? Last class we have discussed a definition, because for the advancement world, AI is the home need. Everyone talks about that. Everyone needs about that. Everyone they are using artificial intelligence. It is the intelligent mission which mimics the human behavior. Last time we have discussed, and we have discussed about the advantages, disadvantages, and ethics. What are the key benefits? Also, last class we have discussed, and what are the evaluation of it is. And now it is the AI type. It is the important of this artificial intelligence. What are the various categories of it is works? So based on there are mainly two types of the categories. One is the based on the capabilities, the artificial intelligence of it is works, and the other one is the based on the functionality. So the first one based on the capability based, there are the three types. There are three types. So one is narrow AI, the other one is the general AI, third one is super AI. So based on the functionalities, there are the four types: reactive AI, limited memory AI, theory of mind AI, self-aware AI. And coming to the what is narrow AI? So this narrow AI are also called as a weak AI, and it is designed and trained as a specific task or narrow range of task purpose only. Our designed this one, and these narrow systems perform their designated tasks, but mainly lack in the ability to generalize the task. So what are the key characteristics of the narrow AI? The one is the task specific. This is only for the specific task purpose only. So this AI will to perform particular tasks such as facial recognition, language translation, and playing chess. Like this specific functionality purpose only. This is, there is no, the second key point is the no generalization. So these systems cannot generalize their knowledge or apply it to task outside their designated function. The third key point is the human-like performance. In their specialized domains, narrow AI can perform at or even surpass human levels, but they do not possess understanding or consciousness. Very limitation is there. So what are those examples in this narrow AI or weak AI? So one is the examples of the applications voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, that understand specific commands translations purpose. The facial recognition software used in security systems, recommendation engines used by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, like search engines. These are the specific task purpose only. This is the narrow AI. And coming to second one, general AI, that is also called as a standard AI or strong AI. So this general AI refers to AI system that have human intelligence and abilities to perform various tasks. The systems have capability to understand. It has a capability to understand, learn, and apply across a wide range of tasks that are similar to how human can adapt to various tasks. Same way, the standard AI is functioning. General AI remains a theoretical concept. It is a theoretical concept. Researchers aim to develop AI systems that can perform any intellectual task a human can do like that. It requires the missions to have consciousness and self-awareness and the ability to make independent decisions, which is not yet achievable by this time. still research is going on in this area, strong way. So the potential applications in this standard AI or strong AI, robots that can learn new skills and adapt to any unforeseen challenges in real time. AI systems that could autonomously diagnose and solve complex medical issues across various specializations. These are the potential applications. And what are the key characteristics of the standard AI or general AI? It has a somewhat broad intelligence is there, and a general AI would be able to perform a variety of tasks as compared to previous one narrow AI. Not just one, making it versatile and adaptable to do any task. It is human-like reasoning. This is human-like reasoning. It would have the ability to reason, solve problems, and make decisions just like a human being. How we are taking the decision, how we are understanding, analyzing, understanding, and then taking the right decision like this standard AI systems also can do. So self-learning is the another important key characteristic here, and a general AI would be able to learning and improving over time, adapting new situations and acquiring new skills without human intervention. So coming to the third one, super AI. So this is also called as the artificial super intelligence AI, and super AI surpasses intelligence of human in solving problems, creativity, and overall abilities. Super AI develops emotions. It has like a human, how it is emotions you are feeling like. AI develops emotions, and how we have a desires like this. It has a desires, need, and beliefs on their own. They are able to make decisions of their own and solve problems of its own. Such AI would not be only be able to complete tasks better than humans, but also understand and interpret emotions and respond in a human-like manner. Emotions and respond in human-like manner. And coming to the next, while super AI remains speculative, it is still not fully. It is still R&D is going on. It could revolutionize the industries, scientific research, and problem solving, possibly leading to unprecedented advancements. However, it also raises ethical concerns regarding control and regulation. Still, it is the fully not functioning. It is the speculative only. Still, R&D is going on in this area. So, this is the super intelligence area. What are the key characteristics of super intelligence AI? It surpasses human intelligence. So, super intelligent AI would exceed human cognitive abilities, potentially making it most powerful tool or threat in existence. And autonomous decision making, that other one is the key autonomous decision making, able to make decisions without human input, and its reasoning and actions could be behind human comprehension. So that is the another key characteristic. Coming to the next, ethical and existential concern. So the development of super intelligence AI raises significant ethical questions, including the potential risk it could pose to humanity if not properly controlled. The controlling is important, otherwise humans it is dominating. So these are the capability based artificial intelligence types. Now coming to the next one is the functionality based artificial intelligence types. The number one is the reactive AI. Is the like a narrow AI type. Reactive AI is the most basic type of artificial intelligence type. So it is designed to respond to specific inputs with predetermined outputs and does not have the ability to form memories or learn from past experiences. It doesn't have a memory, so that from the past experiences it is not considering the ability to do only specific task purpose only. Reactive AI operates solely on the present data it receives. Whatever the data it is receiving, on that receiving data it is analyzing, it is doing the making the decision based on that only. So making decisions based on immediate information. So whatever the present data only it is considering, past history is not taking. So that is the drawback in this case, reactive AIs. So what are the key characteristics in this case? So it doesn't have any memory, no memory. That is the problem. So React a very basic type of artificial intelligence. That's why it doesn't have any memory. It doesn't capable to store the history, past history. So reactive AIs does not store any past data or experiences. So each interaction is treated as a new one every time it is and it is the task specific task purpose only it is. So perform specific tasks and cannot adapt to new situations behind its programming. Whatever the programming limitation is there, that particular task only it is doing. And it lacks of understanding of context. This type of AI does not understand the broader context or the environment in which it operates. So very limited type. This is very basic artificial intelligence type. Specific task purpose. It doesn't have any memory. It doesn't consider any previous experiences. Only present data, whatever it is based on that only it is taking the decisions. The second one is the limited memory time, somewhat advancement as compared to reactive based. So in these cases, missions collect previous data, whatever the previous data is they based on the previous history, previous experience, and continue adding it to their memory. So to take proper decisions based on the previous history, and but it has a very minimum memory there. That is the problem in this case. So, for example, this mission can suggest a restaurant based on the location data that has been gathered. Whatever the search engines, the restaurants means restaurants or hotels, it is displaying search engines like this. So this algorithm imitates the way of our brains. All the neurons work together, meaning that it gets smarter as it receives more data to train on. So it has a limited memory, unlike reactive missions can look into the past and monitor specific objects or situations over time. So based on the history, it is taking the right decisions. And then these observations are programmed into the AI so that its actions can be performed based on both past and present moment data. But in limited memory, that is the drawback. This data is not saved into the memory, artificial intelligence memory, as experience to learn from the way humans might derive meaning from their success or failures, success and failures. So this AI improves over time and it's trained on more data. If it is trained on more data, then it is being better. So like it is the main potential applications in this case is one of the example is the self-driving cars or autonomous vehicles, driverless cars. These are the examples. A good example of limited memory self-driving cars observe other cars on the road for their speed, direction, and proximity. Based on that, it is taking the decisions, it is moving. So this is the limited memory artificial intelligence type. The third one is the theory of mind. So how the human brain is functioning, same kind of thing. It is the neural network type. This kind of AI can understand thoughts, emotions, as well as interact socially. So these missions based on this type, it to be built. It is the still speculative, imaginative only. So theory of mind and self-aware artificial intelligence are theoretical types. These two are theoretical types only. Still research is going on, and that could be built in the future. As such, there are not any real-world examples yet. So if it is developed, these type of systems, theory of mind, AI, could have the potential to understand the world and how other entities have thoughts and emotions. It is, and in turn, this affects how they behave in relation to those around them surrounding. So these are the still research is going on, still under development. These type of artificial intelligence type theory of mind. So it takes human cognitive abilities are capable of processing how our thoughts and emotions affect others and how others affect us. This is the basis of our society human relations. How the society human relationships like this it can able to do, able to understand, able to feel emotions, thoughts, and desires, all those things. In the future, theory of mind missions could be able to understand intentions and predict behavior, or as if to simulate human relationships, like almost all how the human it mimics the human intelligence, human behavior. This kind of theory of mind systems. So this is the one. Another advanced system is the self-aware. These self-aware artificial intelligence missions are the future generation systems of these new technologies. They will be intelligent and sentient and conscious. It has a consciousness also in there. So the grand finale for the evaluation of artificial intelligence, type of artificial intelligence, would be to design systems that have sense of self, a conscious understanding of their existence. This type of AI does not exist at. Still research is going on in this area also. These are the future advancement technologies. This goes step by step behind the theory of mind, AI, and understanding emotions to being aware of themselves, their state of being where it is, and being able to sense, able be based on the situations it is sensing, and predict others feelings also, how others feel, that also it is predicting. So for example, I am hungry becomes I know I am hungry, I want to eat the sangna, like this it is, whatever the sense is there that it is sensing, and because it is my favorite food. So these artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms are a long way from self-awareness, because there is still so much uncovered about the human brain's intelligence and how humans are keeping memory, storing the information, how it is learning, how you are learning, and decision making work the same way. This self-aware artificial intelligence will do almost all. It is the human like. And what are the potential applications in this case? Fully autonomous systems that can make moral and ethical decisions, and AI systems that can independently pursue goals based on their understanding of the world around them. So around the situation, everything it is understanding based on that is taking the decisions. So this is the self-aware. Self-aware, it is creating every self-aware. It is solving the problems, whatever the real world problems it is taking, and it is self. It is programming and doing the giving the solutions. And today I covered all these artificial intelligence types I have discussed. And in this, what are the capability based AI? These three I covered: the narrow AI, general AI, super AI. Briefly, I have discussed about that, their characteristics, key characteristics, and then I have discussed the another type of functionality based artificial intelligence. In this, react to basic, very basic type of AI I have discussed. Limited memory type. This is somewhat advanced one compared to reactive AI. Theory of AI and self-aware. These are the future advancement technologies. So these are the things I covered in this video. And any queries, please mail to me. And next video, I'm going to cover AI agents. So AI is how it is functioning. AI totally the be agent based. So in this, what are the parts of agents I will discuss, agent types, agent how the environment, what are the different types of environments I will discuss, and so what are the agent modeling systems. So all these things we are going to cover next video. Thank you one and all.